If you think you have enough money for retirement, think again. I worked for a company for 22 years and was forced to retire before I planned to. I had sleepless nights for the first year of my retirement because I just didn't have enough money. And then I discovered this automated program that offered me a new beginning, giving me my time back and certainly my peace of mind. I started to enjoy life again. I was taught how to promote myself on social media, and the money just started to roll in. In a matter of months, I had no more financial problems, and I could relax and enjoy my retirement like I was supposed to. I'm now helping other people make money online. So whether you are in your 40s, 50s or 60s, put yes in the comments and let me help you to become financially free as well.